Hi friends, let's discuss NumPy today. I will discuss a very basic thing about NumPy today. So what is NumPy? NumPy means numeric Python. Okay, this is what exactly it means. It means numeric Python. So what exactly it does? It deals with it is a library. Okay, and it deals with array. So it deals with array. Deals with arrays. Okay. So now your question will come in your mind that we already have list, right? So why will we need NumPy? So NumPy is around 50x faster than list, 50x faster than list. Okay. So these are the basic things which you must know about before you start with NumPy. Okay, and because you must know the purpose why we are using NumPy. So why we use NumPy? Because first it deals with arrays and it is faster than list. Okay, okay guys, so let's move forward. Let's create an array using NumPy first. So what you will first do, you will first import this library, import NumPy. Okay, import NumPy. If it is pandas, we import pandas, but it is here it is NumPy. So in pandas, we have already shown you that what exactly it does. It deals with data analysis and all that. Okay, so here in NumPy, what mm, it deals with arrays. Okay, simple thing. So import NumPy and we will create an array, and then just put it as NumPy and then create an array like anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, and then print this array. Okay, print this array. So let's print this. Okay, so what exactly is the error? Module object is not callable. NumPy, I think it's NumPy dot array, right? And then we will put this. Yeah, here it is. So here it is the output. So here how we can create an array using NumPy. Okay, guys. So apart from this, what we can do using NumPy, we can do slicing, right? We can do array reshape, okay, reshape, and then there is a function like copy and view also. Here we can discuss with all these things later, okay. These are things, and then we can do join, okay, we can do sorting, short, we can do filter, okay, filter. So these sorts of things we can do using NumPy also. So we can also do this as NumPy, import NumPy as np, like that. Okay, so if it is np, then we will do it as np. Okay, np dot array. We can run it again. It will be same output. Okay, so there are some more functionalities as well. So we can discuss that in the next classes. So this is I have kept this very simple so that at least you can understand the purpose of NumPy and what it does and what exactly why we use it. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for